Yes, sir.
Yours.
Had your lunch, sir?
Yes, I have had my lunch.
Oh, okay, great.
So, future indefinite.
Future indefinite. Yes, sir.
Yesterday, India won the match against
Yes,
Pakistan.
yes, sir.
So, just actually, I want to tell you a joke here.
Ah, okay.
A teacher asked the children, a teacher
Ah,
asked the children
okay.
that Pakistan may win the match today. Which is this
Ah,
tense?
Pakistan win the match, which is the test.
Pakistan may win the match today.
Okay,
Which is this tense?
okay. It is may
Then
win the.
the
Ah.
the student reply, this is future impossible tense.
Yeah, at present we are playing very good cricket, sir. That's true. Yeah,
This is
I.
future impossible tense.
But that Amir bowled very well initial spell.
I
He's a
didn't
good.
watch that actually.
Okay. He bowled really
Just
well.
I got the result.
Yeah, okay. He bowled very well, sir. Bad luck. He wasted his 5 year of career.
Who?
That Amir, because he got the ban no for match fixing.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll start.
Hmm.
You will read a book.
You will read.
A book.
Hmm.
We shall go to school tomorrow.
Don't use shall.
Okay.
Will.
But in one website, no, sir, they told that I and we should use the shall. For others, you should use the we will. So I got the confusion in that.
No, no, no.
Oh, okay.
Actually, mm, that was actually, the earlier
Yeah, okay.
concept. It was
Okay.
earlier concept using I shall with I and V. But shall,
Okay.
we use shall with I and V with only
Question now you told.
yes.
Okay. But in that particular website, no, this sentence was there. Then I thought, okay, I will clarify with you.
Hmm,
Okay. We will go to school tomorrow.
hmm,
His father will come from Delhi tomorrow.
hmm.
These boys will play football match on Monday.
Okay.
I will write letter on tomorrow.
Hmm. I will write a letter.
Letter. Okay. I will not go to Delhi tomorrow.
Hmm. Or simply
I
you
will,
can say I want.
I want. Okay. I want. I will go to shopping tomorrow.
I
I,
will
I will
I will go for
go for
shopping.
I will go for shopping tomorrow. I will improve my English.
Yes.
My father will attend marriage on 25th March.
Hmm.
My brother will travel South Africa.
Hmm.
India will win T20 World Cup.
Hmm.
We will play tennis from Monday.
Hmm.
Pakistan will play better cricket. will play better cricket. They will dance all night long. Next month, Mahesh family will come here. It will be very cold in winter. Winter will not be so cold here this time. I hope you will have pleasant journey. What time he will arrive? I believe it will be very nice. But,
What time will he?
will he? I believe it will be very nice party.
Once again.
I believe it will be very nice party. Yeah, that is will now keep on. I keep on running for our running to reduce my timing. I keep on playing badminton on Sunday.
I will keep
on playing badminton on Sunday.
Okay.
My kid will keep on playing video games if we are not scolded her. Our maths teacher keep on scolding for small mistake. Our driver is very short temper. If other do small mistake, he keep on fighting with them.
Once again.
Our driver is very short temper.
Tempered man.
Tempered man.
Short tempered man.
Tempered man. If other do small mistake, he keep on fighting.
Other does.
Small mistake, he keep on fighting with them. Sometimes it is irritating lot for me.
He keeps होना चाहिए. He keeps.
He
keeps on fighting.
Okay. Okay, 1 second. Today, Pakistan player keep on doing mistake on the field.
Today, Pakistan
players keep on doing mistakes on field.
Kept on. Past.
Okay.
Kept on doing. करते रहे.
Kept on.
गलतियां करते रहे.
Okay. India keep on performing well on cricket field. Modi keep on doing well. Keeps on doing well in foreign tours. Our income tax slab keep on increasing every day. Every year.
Keeps on.
Keeps on. Okay. Bangalore traffic problem keeps on getting worse day by day.
Actually, you should use keep before, not keep on. Keep on means for physical work.
Okay. Okay, that's not required. Then. In South Africa, last 10 days, it's keep on raining. In our work keep on increase day by day. Our work keep on increasing day by day. our office work. Our manager keep on point out others negative points. Okay, our manager keep on point out others negative.
Don't use on and
Okay.
use keeps. Manager
Okay.
keeps.
Manager keeps
Our manager keeps pointing out.
pointing out other negative, then the positive end. I keep on inviting. Okay, that's not required. Our friends keep on enjoying their. Okay, our friends keep on enjoying their day one or other way. I am keep on traveling for last 15 years.
I
Keep on.
15 years, then it should be in present continuous, present perfect continuous.
So I will I present.
I have
Yes,
been.
had been.
I have been traveling.
Had been.
Sorry, I have been traveling for 15 years.
Okay.
I have been traveling.
By had been keep on not required then.
Not no need.
Had
Because
been travel.
actually, you know, sometimes we say like I have like suppose I speak a Hindi sentence.
Okay.
Like मैं स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाता रहा हूँ.
Okay.
मैं एक लंबे समय से स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाता रहा हूँ. It means I have been teaching.
अच्छा.
I have been teaching students for a long time.
Yeah.
पढ़ाता रहा हूँ या पढ़ा रहा हूँ, same thing.
My mother keep on working whole day.
Keeps working.
Keeps working.
Don't use on.
Keeps working. Okay.
On we use for.
On we are used for when?
For physical work only.
Okay. My wife keeps chatting with her friends most of times. Okay. That's it, sir. Now on this one, life. Okay.
Life.
Yeah, life is like a cricket match. In life, we will get so many opportunity.
We will get or we get.
Okay.
We get.
Oh, you get, okay. But you should stay in the cricket field and keep on trying. In life cricket in life cricket match. In life cricket match, there is a no fielder or no wicket. We won't get wicket or wicket.
Yes, okay.
Okay. We won't get out until we leave the field.
Yes.
But we should know how to use the opportunity and when to use the opportunity. And we should not feel bad when we miss the opportunity. We have to prepare well for the next opportunity. Then only we are able to live happily. Once we get the opportunity, after that also we should not. After that also we should keep on playing in life. Most of the people will relax once we got the opportunity. That also not correct, since life will have the okay, that also not correct. We have okay, that's not That much only I written. Okay. Example, some people get frustrated on the first attempt only. Such a people never going to succeed in life. Since life ups and down part and parcel. If we know how to handle staying in the cricket field, such a people only be able to handle the life well. I hear the news. One of the Delhi student, he was a very brilliant student. He set the goal for 97% in second PUC exam. He worked very hard to get that, but unfortunately he got 95% in second PUC result. As you know, we don't have result is not our hand. But that student is not understood that concept. He committed the suicide. That means he left the cricket field without not waiting for another opportunity. In life, we get so many opportunity. When we are not able to play or not able to get what we wanted, just think God and wait for the next opportunity and prepare for that opportunity. God will give another opportunity if we are in the field and prepared for that. That is the life, according to me.
Well tried.
Okay.
Okay.
Future continuous.
Future continuous.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Actually, future continuous we use will, may, might, must.
Must. Okay.
V
Will.
plus V4.
Okay.
Like if I say, I'll be teaching you tomorrow.
Teaching. Okay.
I will be,
Teaching you tomorrow.
yes, it is future.
Okay.
But sometimes we speak some of the sentences which look like future,
Okay.
but they are not future, they are in present tense.
Okay.
Like when I ask you,
Yes, sir.
what's your mother doing this time?
She might be doing. Okay, like that. Okay.
Yes, you are not sure what she is doing because you are in
You make
South Africa and your mother is in India.
in India.
And you think she may be sleeping this time.
Yeah.
She may be sleeping or she may be having food.
Okay.
Because you are just, it is your
Yes.
imagination.
Yes. Yes.
You just imagine that
Yes.
she may be doing this.
Okay.
And it is a strong possibility.
Okay.
You use, oh yes, she must be sleeping.
100% when you know.
But still it is in present tense.
Okay.
Possibility is there, strong possibility. But still you cannot see it. You are here, your mother is in India.
Yeah.
Suppose in Hindi we say, I ask you, what's your daughter doing this time? You say, she must be playing in the ground. She must be playing in the ground because this is present tense.
Yes, yes, sir.
But it looks like future. She must be.
Yes,
खेल
yes.
रही होगी. खेल
Correct.
रही होगी. वो खेल रही होगी. She must be playing this time.
So
If
we
you are,
we are not. Yeah.
but when it is less possibility,
Then May will come.
she may be playing. I don't know.
Okay.
She may be playing. She may be sleeping. She may be studying. I'm not sure. When it is strong possibility, oh, she must be sleeping this time. Okay,
Yes, I'm
so
writing.
like that you can make
When will come, sir? Might?
may
50-50.
and might same.
May and might same. Okay.
Must for a strong possibility.
Okay. Must for some point. Will for just like normal future.
Yes, like future, like I'll be going to Delhi tomorrow.
Okay. So you are, yeah, almost certain like that. As of now, is certain like that.
Yes, because it is future.
Correct.
Hmm.
Understood, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. So this is future.
Yeah. Future continuous.
Sometimes when verb is not there, simple sentence is there, you use subject plus will, may, might, must plus be.
No, no. Okay.
When somebody knocks the door in the evening,
Okay.
then suppose uh, you are in India and when you come back from your office,
Okay.
you knock the door
Okay.
or you ring the bell
Mhm.
and your daughter is playing inside and your wife says, because it is your time is fixed to come back
Yes. Okay.
almost around 6:05, 6:10, like that.
Okay.
So she says to her daughter, oh, he must be your papa, he must be your father,
Yeah. Okay. Must be
it
your
must
father.
be your father,
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
Or
So
if suppose it is 5:30, somebody rings, she says, oh, he may be your father.
mm,
With less possibility.
yes. Okay.
Strong possibility must be.
Okay. So sometimes then the verb won't be there here in this case.
Yes.
Okay.
That time we use be.
Be okay.
You must be a good human being. You must be, but it is suggestion now here.
Mhm.
It is advice. It is suggestion.
Advice.
You must behave like, or you must be a nice human being.
Nice. Okay.
You must be a
You must be nice human being. Okay. It is not, there is no tense here, no? It is a general statement.
Hmm.
Okay.
This is actually model, you know.
Ah, model.
We'll study models in detail
Okay, sure.
later.
Yes, okay.
But first we are studying tense.
Tense,
Then we'll study active passive.
active passive.
Then we'll study uh, adjectives.
Okay.
Then we'll study models.
Okay. Okay.
Then we'll study direct and indirect
So much is there.
and some other things. If you
So much.
Yeah, if you do all that, you'll be very good speaker
Oh, good.
and
Thank
you
you.
will be a very good writer also.
That's my aim, sir. I will do.
It's not too much.
Yeah, okay.
Only tense takes a long time.
Long time, sir. But
Otherwise,
now now I'm able to understand. Since I was reading from the long time, but now
you can say, I had been reading.
I had been reading
No,
long
I
time.
had been studying.
I had been studying long time,
Mm.
but this course helped me a lot, and now I able to identify where I have to use which sentence.
Hmm. Actually, you are of course, you are from India, but you are staying in Africa. That's
Yes.
why I am teaching you. And otherwise, you know, I don't prefer Indian students.
Is it why?
Yeah, it's a very genuine reason behind it.
Okay.
I tell you.
Uh,
And one more student, she's from Maharashtra,
Okay.
but she's staying in Malaysia.
Okay.
I am teaching her also.
Oh, okay.
She's from Maharashtra. She's Maharashtrian, you know.
March. Correct.
Yeah,
No, no.
as you are from Karnataka,
Karnataka.
your language is Kannada,
Yes.
and her language is Marathi.
Marathi. Okay.
But she is staying in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Her husband is an engineer, chemical engineer.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So she's
Lot.
staying, but she's also a nice lady like you.
Okay.
She studies well. So
Okay.
actually, you know, the Indians who are staying outside,
Uh,
I prefer them to teach.
oh, how is it?
Why I tell you the reason, it's a very genuine reason behind it.
Okay.
Because it has been my experience
Okay.
since I started teaching online
Okay.
that the 80% of the Indians,
Okay.
they don't study.
Oh.
Means suppose 10 Indians suppose contact me for studying,
Okay.
but after talking and chatting and all and all and all, after talking to me 3 and 4 times,
Uh,
they don't study.
oh.
80% of the Indians.
Oh.
And and most of the time they discuss about fee. It is too much and all and all and
Yeah.
all and
Correct.
all. Many times, many
Yeah.
times.
Many times.
Yes.
Correct.
And it's okay, we must discuss, but
Yes.
not many times.
Yes. Yes. That's right.
Either you have to study or you don't have to study.
Don't
That's all.
understand. Yes. Yes.
But
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 yeah.
80% of the Indians don't study after
Oh.
talking to me. But the students from Japan, Korea, China, not Chinese, I don't like Chinese.
Uh,
I prefer Japanese, I prefer Koreans,
oh.
and I prefer sometimes the students from Arab countries
Oh.
and sometimes from Brazil, sometimes from France. They are good actually. You know why?
Uh,
80% of the students from other countries. They study with me after talking.
That's very nice, sir. That is a very good observation also.
No, because actually I deal every day because
Yes.
I get requests from many students every day.
Oh, okay.
And from Pakistan, I get many requests.
Ah,
But I don't like Pakistanis.
oh, is it?
No, there is a reason actually.
Ah,
First thing is that it's a poor country.
correct, correct.
It's a poor country and they're not faithful.
Oh, is it?
They have no option to pay my fee
Oh,
because PayPal is banned there in that country.
oh, correct, correct.
You know PayPal?
Yeah, I know, sir. I know.
So
Yeah, I use.
PayPal
I,
is banned in their country
oh, correct.
because that country has no good reputation in the world.
Oh, correct.
So that's why PayPal has banned Pakistan.
Okay, okay.
So
So
they
you have the yeah PayPal account. They will pay you the PayPal account
yeah,
for you.
my foreign students they pay me through PayPal,
Oh, okay.
but
Okay,
they
okay.
cannot use PayPal.
Yes.
The second thing, I cannot use Western Union from Pakistan
Oh,
because when I use Western Union, lot of inquiries is there. When I
yes,
go
yes.
to when I go to take payment,
Uh,
they ask who is he, who is she, why he or
okay.
she is sending you payment from
Yes,
Pakistan, and all
yes,
and all and all. You know,
yes, yes,
it's a
yes.
problem. It's a problem.
Yes, I can understand because we in Indians may think in the terrorist angle because
Yes,
you are getting the money from Pakistan country like
yes.
that.
That's why
So
it's very difficult for.
yeah.
That's why. And one more thing, actually, you know, most of 100% of the Pakistanis, but the Pakistanis who are out of Pakistan,
Yes.
they are very
Very good.
good.
Very good. Yeah, yeah. I saw because in the South Africa, no, there is one community. Okay, they have large presence in the one area. They are almost all that area business controlled by them. We will get the Indian food there, so we will travel that area. They're very nice, sir, because they all came from the before the partition of India. So they're good because they don't have that hatred towards India, those all. So generally good. That's what.
Yes,
But it's a good,
but
good observation,
yeah,
sir.
Pakistanis and Afghanistanis, you know,
Yeah.
who have left their country and they have settled down in other countries, they are good,
Yes, these are good, sir.
and they don't want to go back to their countries.
Yes, sir. That's
Because
true.
I have taught some of the people from Afghanistan also,
Uh,
but one of them was in Germany
mm.
and the other Austria.
Also, okay.
Austria is a neighboring country of
Yeah.
Germany.
Okay, okay. Correct.
Uh,
I heard that country.
and the other one was from Holland.
Okay.
He was a doctor there.
Oh.
He was Muslim, but he is from Pakistan, oh, Afghanistan, but he
Okay.
has settled down in Holland.
Uh, Oh. Sir, but how great difficulty maybe they travel to there to
He
achieve
was a
the thing.
good, actually, he was a good person.
Yeah, yes, that's
He
true.
studied with
But,
me. So
oh,
some of the Pakistanis or Afghanistanis who have left their country, they are good.
oh, correct, correct.
One man from Pakistan, not one, two, or three I have taught. One of the Pakistani has been in UK working
Oh,
as a store in
keeper.
charge, a store in
Okay,
charge.
okay.
He is getting good salary,
Oh,
2000 pound,
oh, it's good. Sir.
2000 pound,
Yes,
around
almost
around 2 lakhs.
Rolex, yes.
He was very happy.
Very good, sir. Yeah,
Well, so it's okay.
yeah, yeah.
So that actually just that came in my mind, so I talked to you.
Yeah, sure, sir. It is very nice to hear
But
with the
local
story because
people I don't prefer, you know.
I,
I don't prefer because they waste my time, you know.
yes, sir. If they are not interested,
Unnecessarily,
no.
unnecessarily they waste my time.
Yes, if they're not interested. And the second part, I was thinking that no, that punctuality, sir, it's very important. Okay, because I feel so nice. No, yeah, both the people respect the time each other. Otherwise, sometimes no, simply we have to wait for one person and waste up the time. चलो चलो that's so
Yesterday, one of the men
uh,
sent me a request from Gujarat.
okay
His name is Vasu Kharade.
okay karate okay
So he has got two daughters.
okay
Eh, They have been studying, and he wanted to learn English. But when I asked him to pay my fee, then he told me that he would decide.
oh
Then I said, no problem, you may decide.
yes
But today actually he sent me a message.
okay
That message was, Sir, good morning, sir. When we can use to, of, from, for, please tell me. Means he wanted to learn prepositions to use of to, use of,
yes
use of from, use of for. He was asking me to teach him.
correct
And I sent him a message. I will teach you everything once you deposit the fee. Then, then he sent me a message. I shall manage fee. Thereafter start class because my both daughters studies in English medium, so I have to pay fee every month.
oh, oh, oh. Mm,
Okay, so this is your tense,
yes okay sir
future, continuous.
teacher continuous
You didn't make sentences on make.
make 1 minute I'll search sir according me 1 minute I have to search
You forgot.
yes chances yes sir I have wrote everything in the same with this one. So I can search.
Because I told you make.
Okay. But yesterday you told us, sir?
I think.
No, yesterday it was not there.
Okay.
Yesterday it was
Day
not there.
before yesterday.
1 minute. Then make. I think 1 second. Okay, I'm not able to search.
Okay, no problem.
No, no.
No problem. You may do it again.
Okay, okay. I did, I think, make 1 minute. I'll just see.
Like I make him the children. She makes her child sleep.
Yeah, yeah.
I think.
But yesterday we did that one. Make
Okay. Did you speak sentences?
1 minute. Oh my God.
Actually,
Yeah. You make me happy. My PT teacher make me
okay.
uh,
Okay. Oh yes, yes. Yeah.
run.
Let's take a new use today.
Okay, sure.
This is get.
Okay.
Oh, this is very important. And make and get, they are
Okay.
confusing sometimes.
Okay.
But always remember that when you use make, it make
Yes.
is always followed by living thing.
Okay.
Like you say, I make you laugh. Then you is living thing. We cannot use non-living things with make.
Okay.
Like I make, teacher makes. Teacher makes children write an essay.
Okay.
I make you write something for me.
Okay.
I didn't make you laugh.
Okay.
मैंने तुम्हें नहीं हंसाया. I didn't make you laugh.
Correct. It is
So it is get. Sorry, with make we always use living thing.
living things. Yeah.
But with get we use non-living thing or living thing, but it is always followed by third form of verb.
Third form of verb. It is get to go.
I am writing it here and I'll tell you the meaning.
Okay.
It's very important.
Okay. She helping.
Like, suppose I say I get what is the difference between these two sentences?
I get my car repaired. I repaired my car. No, I get my car repaired means it is a future.
No, it is not future.
I get my car repaired. It is not happened that event.
No.
Oh,
Can you
okay.
speak it in Hindi?
Okay. Okay. I can't speak Hindi. मैं आपकी गाड़ी रिपेयर करता हूँ.
नहीं. I repair my car. The meaning of this is this. मैं अपनी कार रिपेयर करता हूँ.
करता हूँ, correct.
But I get my car repaired. It
Get
means
my car. Somebody else doing.
yes. Means मैं करवाता हूँ.
करवाता हूँ.
मैं अपनी कार रिपेयर करवाता हूँ.
करवाता हूँ. Okay.
Means करवाता हूँ. It
Okay.
means we have to use get with
Get, okay.
third form of verb.
I get.
Like
Okay.
I tell you one more sentence. I get my hair cut by barber every month.
I get my hair cut by barber every month. Okay.
Means
Yeah.
cut. It is verb third form
Okay.
because it is cut.
Cut. Okay.
So this is third form. I get my hair cut by barber every month. मैं
Month.
अपने बाल
I get my hair cut.
मैं अपने बाल
I get my hair cut.
बार्बर से कटवाता हूँ.
Okay.
हर महीने कटवाता हूँ. Understand?
Yes, I got it, sir.
But same sentence I'm making by using make. I make barber
Cut my hair.
very good, very nice. But this is V1.
Barber cut my hair. Yes. But second one is a little bit, it is like the little bit ordering type, no?
No. Yes. Because you think I make barber.
Barber. Yeah.
But it looks like ordering, but it is not
Ordering.
like ordering. It is just actually you are explaining it to someone else.
That's correct.
That I make my barber cut my hair every month.
Every month.
It looks like an order, but it's not an order actually. You just explain it to someone else whom you are talking to. Right?
Yes, correct.
Like I make my servant clean my room every day.
Yes.
I make my office boy clean my room every day.
Every day.
मतलब मैं अपने ऑफिस बॉय से अपना कमरा रोज साफ करवाता हूँ. और you can say I get my room cleaned by my office boy. It is like that.
Yes, understood.
You can use it in any tense.
Yes.
Like sorry.
No problem, sir.
I got my hair, or I got my blood tested yesterday.
Yes, I got some tested.
मैंने कल अपने खून की जांच कराई. Past tense. I got my blood tested yesterday. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have to do future
And future continuous.
And use
And
make and get.
Make and get. I will do that one, sir.
And write something about atmosphere in your office. This is your topic. How do you like the atmosphere of your office? How many people are there? Do you enjoy there? Like that.
Yeah.
How many Indians are there? Is it a foreign company or what?
Okay.
Multinational company. Means you write everything.
Sure, sir.
About
Nice.
Atmosphere in your office.
Yes, sir.
Now you may ask me some questions, because we have got some time left here.
Okay, sir.
We must utilize it.
Yeah. Now play part 2. Questions. I'm not getting any questions as of now. Today when I wrote the subject, I not got any question as no.
What is this behind you?
This is a staircase, sir. First, it is a duplex house. So
it is wooden.
Wooden, sir. Wooden. Yeah.
Wooden is
TV. Yes, wooden staircase, sir. And TV room is there in the first floor.
You watch television there?
Yeah, but I won't watch much, sir. Only cricket match I have means I will watch. Otherwise, I won't watch much.
Sometimes you watch news.
News, no, I am not watching much, sir, because I will watch. I will through the web only. I will go and see the news, because sometime I will feel like that they are in the watching means we have to unnecessary all the topic we have to listen, and
you may watch English programs to improve your English.
Yes, I'm for English movie I will watch. English movie. But some places, no, I'm not able to because their accent is very tough. But I was just no, for no, I'm not able to enjoy the movie just for English purpose because I'm concentrating only what they're speaking. So that part I'm watching. That part. Otherwise, no, not. I'm not getting much time, sir, because yesterday I purchased one book, sir. I want to tell it's very, very nice book. Okay, it is a subconscious mind, power of subconscious mind, and how to use the subconscious mind like that. No, I was reading that book up to certain almost 11 o'clock like that. Usually I won't read after 9. It was very nice book. Today morning also I was reading until our time 10 o'clock. I find very very nice about that now because it is a scientific procedure they are given how to control the mind because you know this it is a I saw that one Sandeep's theory all no in that book, okay. Because Sandeep is telling that how to control the mind, but he is explained with the scientific reason how it will happen, what was the reason like that. So yesterday I was searching, okay, that should be scientific way like that. But one place, one place, Sandeep will tell everything you observe in the scientific way like that, okay. You always tell that and don't go for the theory like that. This is happened because of that reason like that. It was mentioned that one. So you think a scientific way like that. Earlier, no, I was like that. There is a one area all the day we will have the accident almost in the week 3 days. No, that location accident location will accident will happen. Earlier, I was thinking that before Sandeep, I was thinking that that area is the bad luck area because of that it's happening like that. But after listening the Sandeep, that approach only I changed. Okay, I was thinking that maybe that particular area where they constructed the road, maybe where they laid it is not it is it's maybe they laid very smooth one. They are not getting the grip so that technical way I started listening, and it is helping me because earlier we will think, oh gosh, you see bad luck area. It was fear was coming, but now I thought, okay, I was thinking, okay, see, there is scientific way, okay, with some grip, some issues will be there. There is a little bit curve also it is there like that. That but some way Sandeep is helped me to alter the thinking. And one more, no, here earlier, no, when I was coming here from long period of time, in here every house, they have the cats, okay. So whenever we'll go out, cat will pass away. In India, we have
I
the
I told you all that
okay, okay.
this
Uh,
is superstition sometimes.
yes,
We'll
yes,
discuss we'll discuss that topic because it is very interesting, and I
yes,
want to tell you most of the things regarding Hinduism.
mhm, okay,
That because Hinduism is the best religion in the world, it is
okay,
based on science.
okay, correct, correct.
It's like a cat actually crossed your way and all these. I'll tell you everything in detail about all that in our
Okay, okay.
next class.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sure. Okay, okay, sir.
So when do you want to have your next lesson?
It's a Tuesday, sir. Tuesday, 10 o'clock. That is the which 13th class, sir.
13th, yes.
Yeah, 13th class.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
sure, sir.
Tuesday
Yeah,
first.
Yeah, Tuesday first.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Good. Uh,
Have a good day.
good day, because usually I tell good night. Now that habit is
Have a nice
done.
day.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Right, sir. Thank you.